Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Uthando Nesithembu. La Umayeni says girls can date Mpumelelo, kodwa they must not give him babies. Reality TV star and a proud mother Mayeni Mseleko has raised eyebrows and sparked a heated debate after issuing a stern warning to the young woman dating her son, Mpumelelo Mseleko. In a brutal, honest message, Mayeni warned her son's girlfriends to think twice before having his children, and her reason is as jaw-dropping as it is brutal honest. Mpumelelo, she says, it is just like his father, Musa Mseleko. This unexpected revelation has left fans of the Mseleko family both shocked and curious. Known for her calm and collected personality on Uthando Nesithembu, Mayeni rarely speaks out so boldly, especially about her own children. But it seems the outspoken mother felt it was time to set the record straight and protect Mpumelelelo's girlfriends from what she believes could be a challenging future. Girls can date him, that's their choice, Mayeni reportedly said. But having the baby with him, I would strongly advise against it. The reason, she explained, is Mpumelelo is showing clear sign of following in his father's footsteps, embracing polygamy and dating multiple women at once. Mayeni, having lived through the complex reality of sharing a husband with other women, knows firsthand the emotional and practical struggles that come with it. While she loves her sons dearly, she believes any woman who tries herself to him by having his baby could be signing up for unnecessary headache. If you have his child, you are tied to him forever, and you will have to deal with all the other women too, Mayeni warned. That's not a life I would wish for anyone, especially young girls who still have their whole future ahead of them. Mpumelelo, who has been vocal about his own desire to follow his father's path into polygamy, hasn't responded publicly to his mother's statement, but social media is already buzzing with opinions. Some people applauded Mayeni for being brutal honest, saying her experience gives her the right to warn others. Others felt she was being too harsh, arguing that Mpumelelo deserved a chance to chart his own course without being judged for his father's choices. This isn't the first time the Mseleko family private affairs have become public conversation. As the son of South Africa's most famous polygamist, Mpumelelo has lived much of his life in the public eye, with his relationships and lifestyle choices constantly scrutinized. However, this blunt warning from his own mother adds a deeply personal and emotional layer to the ongoing story. What stands out most in Mayeni's warning is the clear concern of a mother who has walked this road herself. Behind her sharp words is a deep desire to shield young women from the challenge she faced, and perhaps to steer her son towards the more responsible and mindful way of living. Whether Mpumelelo will listen or whether his girlfriends will heed the warning remains to be seen. One thing is certain, Mayeni's voice has made it clear that the next chapter of Mseleko family saga will be anything but quiet. South Africans are watching and waiting to see how this family drama unfolds. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for Uthando Nesithembu's update. Till we meet in the next video.